welcome back to the channel. Carrying on, well, this is just an update primarily from the last episode of the Mikuni BS34s. Literally, ultrasonic cleaner's been going almost non-stop. I can only run it for about an hour, let it cool down. Constant changes of the water and the fluid, so make sure I've obviously always got clean substance to put the actual carbs in. I've gone through, everything's gone through, the carbs have gone through 3 times now just to try and bring them up. The caps have gone through, float bowls have gone through, and I've been busy cleaning, so I'll show you where I'm at the moment. So everything laid out on the bench as I left it. Carbs have actually come out pretty good. Still probably a little bit more on that one. But overall, from where they were, I've given the bars a clean up. The actual adjuster, if you remember the state that was in, the other adjoining bar, the actual choke rod, still got the bend in it. Float bowls have gone through. Again, same with the top caps. The actual tubes that I had to soak to get out, they've actually come out quite well. Still got one left to go, so if you compare the difference, soak them in WD, gave them a clean. I just need to run them through just to make sure all the actual holes are unblocked. Also, the actual choke plunger mechanism that attaches to the choke bar, that spring and cap actually does come out. Obviously be careful when you are taking them out because they can spring away. Again, the side caps, which will actually sit like that. I've just got one left to go, so I'll get that over and we'll do that now. Right, so just let that soak in for a little bit, and then literally green Scotch Brite, and just actually work round. I'll just do one side for now because it does take some time. Alright, let me speed this up a bit. As you can see, that's starting to come up. Still got the other side to do. You can add a little bit more WD, and it is just So that's the process on that, and it is exactly the same on the choke plunger pieces. Like I said, these springs, you push it through with your finger, and that's what you're left with, a cap and a spring. And then it is exactly the same again. Soak it in some WD. Until it comes out like that. So like I said, just a quick update of how bits are going. So that's everything now. I need to start on, I've given some of these a quick clean. That's in the process. Again, using the same with the green scourer and some WD as we did on this side. And then it's the float bowls to clean. I'm going to replace the screws. So there's very little left to go in the actual cleaning aspect, but I just wanted to give you a rough idea of where I am now. The cleaning actually does take some time. Yes, that needs a bit more on it to bring them up. Also, the kits have arrived and some replacement screws, so they'll be ready to assemble. As I say, there's a little bit more cleaning just to go on a few of the parts. I say the screws, I'll replace as many as I can with what I've got, but literally all that's left before reassembly is a little bit more cleaning and polishing. So these needles need doing. But overall I think I've covered everything so far. So I'm going to crack on and get the polishing done. I've also got this bracket as well left to do. So you can see the state. And then obviously when bits come up, really nice. So like I say, I've just been taking it step by step. As I say, I appreciate the comments. It really does help. Like I say, this is a big learning experience for me. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to the actual fiche page where you can see the breakdown of everything that goes in these carbs. Real big help. I've actually got it on my laptop. I can't print it out of the moment because my printer's not working. But say, I've had the laptop out here so I can see exactly where things go. But the cleaning process has gone well so far. Like I said, there's just a few more bits to do, and then hopefully we can start reassembly. I'll get the polishing done. For people that have followed me before, they've seen me polish many times. There's a few videos on both techniques of doing it, either with the WD and the scourer. Again, I'll leave a link in the top corner for that. Or there's the other way, which is the way I've always done it beforehand, which is going through the grades of wet and dry. Again, there's a link in the corner to that particular one. I find both seem to work. I feel that the wet and dry is a better finish. That's actually what the actual cases were done. These were wet and dried. But as I say, I was quite surprised by the actual WD and scouring pad, how well that brought it up. Obviously, if you really want fine detail, then stick with the wet and dry version. But as I say, it's been an education. As I say, I've had a lot of comments which have really helped, of bits I've missed, and oh, you need to do this and you need to do that. I always read the comments, you know, whatever video, even if I go and watch somebody else's, I'll read the comments and see what people have put. It really does help. You can learn a lot of information by reading the comments. So that's enough chat. I'm going to crack on, get the polishing done. There are links to other videos at the end of the video, and as always, appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.